one of the most important things for a business to have, so we're talking about entrepreneurs, small business, is an email list. It is the one thing that is really going to help you. I know a lot of people think that email marketing is not something that is really popular now, but what you have to keep in mind is if you have your audience on social media and you are selling your products through social media and something happens, this happens a lot on Facebook. So let's say that you have built up your audience and you've been selling on Facebook, and all of a sudden your Facebook account gets hacked. You no longer have access to your Facebook and you no longer have access to your business page. If you have an email list, you still have the opportunity to reach out to your customers and still be able to keep your business going. So it's just really important that you have that email list. You don't have to spam people with sending out emails. Even just once a week is a great way just to keep in contact with your customers and your audience, but you really want to have this as a backup because it is likely at some point that you could get hacked on Facebook and then you might lose access to your audience. So set up a free email marketing account. There's a bunch of different ones. You can do some web searches to find free email marketing and work on getting your list. You can share your links on all your social media and talk about it and encourage people to join. It's great to give out a free item in order to join, such as a digital product. But it is a really important and great thing to have for your business. So make sure you're working on that email list.